Welcome to our channel, Elliott Wave Counts. Today is August 12th, almost 10 p.m. We are going to be talking about Ethereum today. We posted a video, I believe, 20 days back when it was running at 3,600. At that point, we were looking for 4,800. We are almost at 4,600 right now, and we want to see what we are looking. So 5,000 is the first one. Next, what hurdle we are looking would be around 5,500. Those are the psychological numbers, right? The real one that we are looking is 4,800 and 5,900. And yes, there is a crazy scenario now. I do see it happening is 6,800. But before that happens, anything has to happen. So check out the old video on Ethereum that we posted earlier. I will have a link over here. In this slide, we are going to talk about multiple things over here. So if you see the very first one over here, from here, wave 1 to 2 over here, then 3, 4, we are in the massive wave 3. This is going to be a tremendous big wave that we are looking here in Ethereum. So based on that, the Fibonacci extension, regular, it's 4493, which is 4500. That's why on the beginning we were looking at 4500. Now next one is 4800, 1.786, and then 2.618 I'm looking specifically, which will lead us to 5965. There is a reason. If you see on the left hand side, I marked something over here, 1.272. Something happened with the Ethereum multiple times in the past with this level actually, and we want to see what is the characteristic for Ethereum, and that will be amazing that how many times it has done it. We will just cover one or two incidents on it, but you can check out on your Ethereum chart. Basically just draw the fibs, Elliott Wave projections, and you will see it. So based on that 5965, yes, I do see it coming, and crazy scenario, if it's a run up, we might see based on this breakout round recovery, then if we add something similar to the neckline, then it goes to somewhere around 6820, and if we add it to bottom, then it comes right around somewhere around 6,000. So those are based on that. Okay, this is what I was talking about earlier when it was doing this 1.272. We went here, we went down. The exact percentage correction remains the same. And what was the run up? Actually, it happened over here in the wave counts 3. While it was going down, do the this one down wave, and you will see the same symmetry happening. So it doesn't guarantee that it's going to happen, but I have seen on my observation that yes, it does play the part. So I'm excited to see it, how it falls. That's what I'm looking. Of course, I'll be watching the candlesticks and some other indicators, volume and stuff on it. So that's pretty much. Now back to our scenario in 2025. April, it started making highs, right? From April, which was around somewhere around 1580, 1500. So these are the waves. First wave, what happened, the valuation is around 1500. Second wave, it happened, which is 1800. This is the sub wave. This is not the final wave of 3. So we are not putting label over here. So based on that, if it's going to be 1500, we are here at somewhere around 4900. Or if we are going to see 1800, it will lead us to 5200. So 5200 and 4800, yes, it comes. But why I am putting this scenario over here? We are going to see some resistance. 4800 is all-time high for Ethereum. So 4800 to 5200, it's going to be sluggish movement, or we might say a range bound movement during that time. So we have to be very careful, and the market dynamics can change as we progress in the time. So keep an eye on 5,000. I will say 4,800 to 5,200. Yes, that's a zone that you should be watching it, and we might feel that it's going to be a range bound during that. And this is Renko on the Ethereum, just the clear version of the same thing what I was talking earlier, but without any noise. So it helps a lot. Tremendous. It's an amazing chart that you can see. These are the channels that I'm looking now, parallel channels, whatever you want to call it, or just lines based on that. So if you see from April, so this is one intensity, not that intense what we are doing right now. It's very intense, but there is something else that I will add into in this one. Actually, we will go on the later slides actually, but I have it for you guys. Now this is interesting. Now if I'm looking to add something in my portfolio, which I have already, or it's a new investment, we have to see what are my risks right now, right? You have to see what is your profitability, what targets you are looking, but before that you have to see how much you are risking. So my risk right now, anything goes wrong, 3,500, 3,700 will come crashing. What do we see is immediate support, yes, 4,150 to 4,000, but something big occurs, then 3,570, 3,500, 3,700 will come crashing on it. But there is an immediate support, 4,150, 4,000. As we are seeing the momentum, this will provide a good support. So 4,150, 4,000, you should be considering your risk if you go invest at this moment. So that is one thing. This is the volume profile. Okay, so if we are considering 1 year, then the maximum trading happen at 2536, the most interest. Then the next cluster is coming around 3300. So these are the cluster. If you see, it doesn't show you, tells you what is bought, what is sold, but that's what it is. It's the same thing over here. Now if we are coming to 25, then it went down, it went up. So still the cluster stays at 2500, bigger chunk. The next chunk on the bigger side volume is 2700, and the next one we are looking at 3300. As we are shorting it out, the time it's from April, still the biggest cluster is 2500. So you have to see it. If 3700 does not provide the support, where we are going to go? 2500. So these are the risk what we are talking. And if we are going to dip below 3700, then this all projection what I just talked about, it's gone. So when you enter, you should know what is your risk and where you need to leave the position, square off. For me, excuse me, square off would be at 3500. 3700 I will take a chance. 3500, 3400, let's call it, is my square off. I will not wait if it's dipping 3400, below 3400. But before that, if it's in a profit territory, I will start keep booking it. That's the one way, and if you keep following it, you never lose it actually. So these are the lines I was talking earlier about it. So this is my wave 1, 2, we don't know where it's 3, 4, but the way we looking are, my wave 1 completed over here. This was the correction 2. So what you do normally, the high of wave 1 and the low of wave 2. So you connect that and you start projecting the waves that is forming. So based on that, the intense line that is blue over here, that is giving me a target that yes, intensity is picking up. It has picked up actually from once it crossed 2800, and still it's maintaining it. Actually intensity is increasing if I see it right now. So that's 2 channels it's gonna go. Right now it's intense. It's gonna push through 5000. Let's see how it reacts around there. So that's our Ethereum. I do have a channel on a WhatsApp, same Elliott Wave accounts. I do frequent updates on a daily. Videos are a little bit hectic to make it. I mean, to make this video, I have to capture the slides, I have to arrange it. It took me 1 hour, but I do post up frequent updates over there. Even simple concept. I just put Ethereum when it was breaking out last 3 times actually. That, you know, if anyone interested, buy it. So please join us on WhatsApp. If you like the content, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay happy and happy investing. Thank you.